Here's how to check if your phone has 8 GB RAM or 12 GB RAM. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone. Take note that RAM can only be seen on Android phones. Now from the settings, click on the storage options and you will see there how many GB you have. From this phone, I have a 128 GB. And as you can see, when you click on the About tablet or About phone, as you scroll down, you will see there the RAM that you have. And the RAM that I have right now is the 8.0 GB, as well as the internal storage is 128 GB. So sometimes 8 GB RAM contains a more higher 128 GB. Now, for you to be able to see it on iPhone, go to the settings of your settings, iPhone, and go to the general options. Now, from the general options, click on the iPhone storage and you will see there the GB that you have. Once again, RAM cannot be accessed to iPhone, so you can only get ahead and see the GB options of it. So you can also see how many GB you have on the About options of your iPhone.